Welcome back to the CadZest. My name is Abhijit. As you can see on the screen, we have small block. So this is another tutorial for how to create 3D in Autocad. So let's start. Go to the Autocad and use no template metric. So why I'm selecting metric? Here you can see, so dimension as we can see 10472. So in the metric we usually have the dimension like this, the bigger dimension, and in the imperial, in the inches, we have like 1.75, 3.75, 3.5, like that. So we can identify in that way as well, but not all the time. Okay, so I'm presuming it to be millimeter. So select the metric and 104 and 72. So we'll create a rectangle of 104 by 72 and the height is 48. So let it be on the top plane as it is right now. Press L for line and click on this ortho mode. So what is the ortho mode? You can check my previous videos. I have explained it. So click anywhere on the screen and 702 104. So go bottom 702, direction right side 104 and 72 again, and you can press C for closing. It is closed. So select all and press J for joining. So all the sketches are one sketch, as you can see. Now we need to create one rectangle, two rectangle, that is 24 from the right side and 24 is the width. So create a line in this direction 24 and 24, this point, this point, this point. Select this line, delete, select all like this. Select from this direction, not from this direction. Okay, if you select from this direction, all everything will be selected. So select from this direction, press type CO, enter. This is the base point, as you can see, base point. So before doing this, select all and press J for joining. Copy it like this. Okay, and press SW. Type EXT for extrude and then press enter. Select the sketch, go to the bottom 48, type 48, enter. Do this again, EXT, and here this rectangle is the depth is 16 plus 16, 32. So select this rectangle and go in the bottom by 32. Do this again, EXT, select this and go into bottom by 16. Change the view mode like this. Use SU for subtract. Select this body and press enter. Select this body and this body. Do it one by one. SU, select this body, enter, this body, enter, and click on SW isometric. So if I do wireframe or like this, so it is exactly same. You can see So this is how you can use 3D. So these are very simple blocks. Step by step we will reach to the harder ones. So thank you guys, please subscribe.